What if I told you there's a phone out there with a 33,000 milliamp hour battery, a built-in projector, a 200 megapixel camera, and even a camping light so bright it could replace your flashlight? Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. It's the Oukitel WP100 TITAN, and it might just be the most ridiculous, over-the-top, and surprisingly useful smartphone I've ever seen. This isn't just a phone, it's more like a tank disguised as a smartphone. So today, we're going to unbox it, test its insane features, see what that projector actually does, and figure out whether it's a genius creation or just a monster that belongs in a toolbox. Alright, first impressions, the box itself is huge. You instantly know you're not unboxing a regular phone here. Slide off the cover and boom, there it is. The Oukitel WP100 TITAN, sitting proudly like it's daring you to pick it up. It's big, it's bold, it's unapologetically rugged. Underneath, you get the usual paperwork, a 66-watt PD fast charger, a heavy-duty USB-C cable. The moment you pick the phone up for the first time, you realize this is not for the faint of wrist. It's thick, it's hefty, but it also feels indestructible. You could probably drop it off a mountain and it'd still boot up asking for a software update. Now, let's talk design. The Oukitel WP100 TITAN lives up to its name. This thing is absolutely massive. The frame is reinforced with a metal alloy, the edges are wrapped in industrial-grade rubber, and the corners have extra protection to absorb shock. It's rated IP68, IP69K, and MILSTD 810H, which basically means it can survive everything from water to dust to a drop on concrete. The back panel looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Bold geometric cuts, exposed screws, and a combination of matte metal and rugged polymer. And right in the middle, you've got that huge 200 megapixel camera setup with a 20 megapixel night vision sensor and a 2 megapixel micro lens, arranged in this dramatic circular housing that screams, "I'm not your average phone." Oh, and see that grill on the back? That's not a speaker, that's part of the built-in cooling fan system. Yes, this phone has an actual cooling fan inside, because with this much power, even your phone needs to breathe. On the side, you've got a textured power button that doubles as a fingerprint sensor, customizable keys that can be programmed for sauce mode or quick launch, and rubber-sealed ports for that waterproofing. Overall, it's big, bold, and functional. It's not sleek, but it's not trying to be. It's designed for people who live on the edge, literally. Let's flip it over and talk about the screen. You're looking at a 6.8-inch Full HD Plus panel with a 1080 by 2460 resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. And honestly, it's not bad. Sure, it's not AMOLED, but it's crisp, it's vibrant, and that high refresh rate makes scrolling feel butter smooth. Even outdoors, under bright sunlight, the visibility holds up surprisingly well. The bezels are a bit chunky, but honestly, that just adds to the rugged charm. Watching movies, gaming, browsing, everything feels immersive. And remember that projector I mentioned? Yeah, we'll get to that because it's something you have to see to believe. Now, let's talk about sound, because this part honestly shocked me. You'd expect a rugged phone to sound tinny or muffled, right? Well, not this one. The Oukitel WP100 TITAN packs a dual stereo speaker setup, and these things are loud, like fills a whole room loud. When you play music or watch YouTube, you actually get a nice amount of depth, crisp highs, decent mids, and even a bit of bass resonance you normally don't hear in rugged phones. What's impressive is how clear it stays even at max volume. No distortion, no cracking. It feels tuned for outdoor use, whether you're watching a movie on the built-in projector or blasting music during a trip. And here's the cool part. Because the phone is so large, the speaker chambers have extra space to resonate, which is probably why it sounds so full. I even tested it against a mid-range Samsung and a Pixel 7a, and honestly, the TITAN holds its ground. It might not have Dolby Atmos, but the sheer loudness and clarity make it perfect for entertainment and outdoors. So yeah, rugged phone, yes, but sound-wise, surprisingly premium. Inside this monster sits an 8-core processor, paired with 16 gigabytes of RAM that's expandable virtually up to 48 gigabytes, and a jaw-dropping 512 gigabytes of internal storage. Yes, you heard that right. Half a terabyte of storage in your phone. Now, before you ask, no, this isn't a flagship-level Snapdragon processor. But Oukitel optimized it well enough to handle heavy multitasking, 3D games, and productivity tasks without breaking a sweat. And that's also thanks to that tiny cooling fan spinning quietly inside. You can actually feel the phone staying cooler during gaming or video rendering sessions, something that's rare even in flagship phones. It's the kind of detail that shows Oukitel wasn't just building a gimmick. They were solving real usability problems. Day-to-day performance is smooth. Swiping between apps, running multiple browser tabs, editing photos, it all feels fast and stable. And with Android 14 out of the box, upgradable to Android 15, you get all the latest optimizations, improved security, and that clean, stock-like experience with almost no bloatware. Let's pause the action and put things in perspective. This phone isn't just strong. It's overloaded with specs that sound more like a wish list than reality. You've got a 6.8-inch 120Hz display, 16 gigabytes of RAM expandable to 48 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes ROM, a 200-megapixel main camera, a 32-megapixel front camera, a 20-megapixel night vision lens, and a 2-megapixel macro lens. Then add the 33,000 mAh battery, 66-watt fast charging, and that crazy built-in projector capable of throwing a 100-lumen image onto your wall. It even packs a 1200-lumen camping light on the back, which, by the way, can practically replace your flashlight when you're outdoors. You've also got fingerprint unlock, face unlock, dual SIM, 5G connectivity, and NFC. Basically, this is a phone that can charge your other phones, guide your camping trip, double as a movie projector, and probably survive the apocalypse. Now, let's talk about those special features, because this is where the WP100 Titan stops being a phone and starts being a gadget-packed toolbox. First, the built-in projector. It's not just a marketing gimmick. This tiny module can project a 100-lumen image up to about 2 to 3 meters wide. You can literally stream a movie from your phone onto a tent wall while camping. It's not 4K cinema quality, of course, but for casual use, it's awesome. Then there's the camping light. And let me tell you, this thing is bright. 1,200 lumens bright. It can light up an entire room or help you navigate a trail at night. It has multiple modes too: SOS, flash, and constant beam. Add to that the night vision camera, which actually works using an infrared sensor. You can see in total darkness. I tried it, and it's like stepping into night mode in real life. The cooling fan inside keeps performance steady even under stress. And it adds a really cool futuristic touch, like having a gaming rig inside your pocket. The Titan also features a toolbox suite, complete with a compass, plumb bob, height meter, magnifier, and even a sound meter. If you're a camper, a hiker, a mechanic, or someone who loves the outdoors, this phone is literally built for you. Okay, now we need to talk about the biggest number here: 33,000 milliamp hours. That's not a typo. It's 33,000. It's bigger than most power banks you'll find in stores. With moderate use, you could easily get 7 to 10 days of battery life. Even under heavy use, gaming, projector on, flashlight, hotspot, it can still push through 3 full days without needing a charge.
And when it does need juice, that 66-watt PD fast charger can fill it up surprisingly fast considering the size. In about 2 hours, you can go from 0 to 100%. You can even reverse charge other devices. Yes, your phone becomes a power bank. Plug in your earbuds, smartwatch, or even another phone. The Titan doesn't mind sharing. Now, numbers are one thing, but how does it actually feel in real use? In synthetic benchmarks, the WP100 Titan sits around the mid-tier range, nowhere near flagship-level Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 performance, but still solid enough to handle pretty much anything you throw at it. Games like PUBG Mobile, Genshin Impact, and Call of Duty Mobile all run smoothly on medium to high settings. Multitasking? Flawless. Video playback? Seamless. And with that cooling fan,
Thermal throttling is almost non-existent. You won't buy this phone for gaming specifically, but the fact that it can handle it so effortlessly, that's impressive. So, who exactly is this phone made for? This isn't for someone who just scrolls Instagram or takes mirror selfies. The WP100 Titan is for people who live differently. If you're an adventurer, a field worker, a traveler, a filmmaker, a hiker, or even someone who just hates charging phones, this is your ultimate companion. Imagine you're camping in the woods. Your regular phone dies in a few hours, but this thing not only survives, it lights up your tent, plays your favorite movie through its projector, and still has enough juice to charge your drone. It's not a fashion statement. It's a survival tool disguised as a smartphone. So, what's the verdict? The Oukitel WP100 Titan is a phone that doesn't care about trends. It doesn't chase slim bezels, fancy curves, or flagship benchmarks. Instead, it focuses on endurance, functionality, and real-world utility. It's the phone for people who say, "I don't want to charge my phone every night." The kind of person who wants to go off-grid and still stay connected. It's powerful, it's absurd, it's kind of awesome. And yes, it's definitely overkill. But that's exactly why I love it. So if you're tired of fragile glass sandwiches that die after half a day, and you want a phone that can actually keep up with your lifestyle, the Oukitel WP100 Titan might just be your next upgrade. This isn't just another rugged phone. It's a statement. And for the right person, it's the perfect companion. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments. Would you carry a 33,000 milliamp hour battery? Phone with a projector in your pocket? Or is this just too crazy for you? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe, stay smart, and stay charged.